Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your girl Wamboy here. If you are new here guys, make sure you like, you subscribe, you comment and you also share. So, okay. Leo you won't believe niko wapi. Leo we decide I do on hiking and I brought somebody with me. Come and tell the vlog hi. Come here. The huyu, as you can remember. So leo tunataka tuoneshe kwenye tuna spend day. So guys, we are at Thomson Falls. This is so lovely. Angalieni tu kwenye ni kusuku. Come here. It's really the it's so beautiful. Venye nimeona maji inatoka kutoka juu inateremka hadi chini. I guess ni 74 meters. That's per se. Something like that. So I guess tutashuka hadi chini and then yeah, we'll show you guys. We'll bring you along. So it's up on. Come and tell the viewers something.
Hi guys. Something me. This is the most longest fall in Kenya.
Yeah. And this is the top view. Alafu kuna ile hoteli fulani ile pale. Naiona vizuri. It's called Panari Resort. So it's one of the, I think it's not one. Like nile hoteli ya ya Mabombe, if I'd say. So this is the view. Naona tu hapo. Ndio huyo mimi kishaanza safari.
Kule mbali twende. We
This is so beautiful. I mean, siwezi kumbuka my last time nilienda hike ilikuwa lini, so it's so tuendeleeni. Unaona because this stairs ni mingi. Oh, nini hadi hivyo chini kabisa. Chini.
go. We're going. Tunaenda. There are also those people, those wild animals called baboons. And my baby fears baboons. You know that, guys? And just trying to be so close to her. Yeah, it's a long way.
We are almost there.
Yeah, we are. So, guys, we're still going. And it's so quiet. Look, somewhere you can meditate your own things and yeah, unakuja kumedi huku hivi chini. Yeah. But you also have to be careful. As you come here, fai kuja peke yako. You'd rather come when there are a lot of people.
Tuko halfway hadi kweli na nasikia nikachoka. This place it's so steepy. Alafu huwezi kuja tuna viatu yoyote. You cannot. Nishachoka. But it's so beautiful. Like the nature, ndio ile Thompson Falls, ndio ile river, tuko karibu kufika huko hivyo chini. So we just have to tuendeleeni. Hivi tu kadogo alimeant tutafika. Be careful.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm doing my best.
Zile zinakaa kama zile ancient nini, si ndio?
Yeah.
Zile stones.
Yeah.
I think it place
Zile za na huko hivyo western style.
Alafu guys, you see here, mona hapa. Hizi swings zenye watu swing juu, watu swing.
Easy. But it's risky too. Si kitu mnafaa kufanya tu ovyo ovyo. You can be out in a minute.
We are almost there.
On a love zone here. And enjoy the view. Hi guys. Almost okay. Oh my god. Jakuja huku. Nakuja na mpoa wake. Oh my god. So you should have a nice view ya hii place. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ngoja tu. The girl Wamboi is enjoying it. Anasema this is your girl. Jaifika hapa huyu. Yeah.
Alafu kuna kale ka Christmas.
It's called sijui kama ni vapor ama ni nini. But this is a place.
Angalia tunaje.
Sindio kuna watu wenda mpaka hapo. But that place huko hivyo mbali ni slippery. Wewe. She wants to fall, this girl of yours. Kianguka hapo utomia. Huu ni muoga. Go there.
Slippery for my shoe.
Okay. Let me get her hand.
Napenda maisha yangu sana.
Alright. Ngoja hapo. Simama pale. Watu wakuone. So, this is it guys. A trip to Thomson Falls, Kenya. Yes, and everyone is enjoying. Yeah, the view is like that from the down part of it. Yeah. You're there, up there. Yeah, kulikuwa huko hivyo juu. I don't know if you guys can see some people huko. Huko hivyo somewhere kuna mandizi around. And yeah, it's a nice place by the way. Yeah, so that's what we are doing around. And personally I'm happy. I brought this beautiful soul to see this place, and I'm really enjoying this view.
And we are halfway there.
We are halfway, but we don't want to risk too much because of the slippery part of the...
So beautiful.
Tuna enjoy huku hivi view. na mambo zingine mingi sana.
Plus it's a really great place ya kukuja hike.
Over
It is
million
a sign.
Kenyans,
It is
over
a
million
sign.
Kenyans, over million
Come and
Kenyans
visit.
wanakujanga huko.
Yes, yes.
Every year, over a million Kenyans. So, mashule zinajanga huku. Like today, there was a lot of buses and a lot of other visitors from outside. Wazungu, Italians, those French, Russians, everyone. They come to Kenya because of this. This one main thing.
Ile waterfall.
Ile water ile. Yeah, because ukitoka hapa hivi maybe uende Zibambo. You get? Yeah, uende Zibambo ile ingine kubwa sana huko hivyo. Na this one yetu ya kujivunia na sisi ni wakazi wa huku. Ndio sisi wenye hii. You pay for this by the way. You pay 100 bob kwa stamp. Hii. Unapigwa stamp. Hii iko kwa mkono. You guys see? Karo.
Oh, it's sunny.
Yeah, kumepata kajua kadogo. And mambo hapa hivi amerukaruka juu kuna jua. Lakini
You guys,
tunanyeshewa.
this is a sign. This is a fucking sign. Come and visit. Hey.
Part of this place. Into the lower part of
Yes.
inaitangwa Kerurumo in Kikuyu. Maji inatoka hiyo side, so it comes this way. This one you beba watu. Yeah. Yeah. Ikiflow ina flow na force mingi sana. So guys, this is another place. I'll let you explore this place. And here you are now. You know maji. Yeah, it goes like that. Mpaka huko chini. And there goes Wamboi. Wamboi is right there. Anapiga kelele. Let me go because when Wamboi makes noise, she makes noise. Yes. This is Wamboi. You are Wamboi. Yes. Niende wapi? Hii siwezi enda niachane na baby wangu. So, Wamboi, please stop being scared. This is called nature. Come this way. Wamboi wenyu ni muoga kidogo. Yeah, let me take her to some good parts of Earth. For sure.
This place is so dope.
Yeah, so yeah, we have to hurry, Wamboi. Don't get yourself into the water. She's doing some of watu wengi wapenda kuchezea maji. Yeah. So
Guys, this is how I spent my fucking afternoon.
yeah, she feels nice. She's tired though, but she has to hurry up before this rain falls on us. Mawingu yametanda huku juu. It's dark and I need to get your girl out of the mountains. So it's gonna be a long journey. Let me take you msopa huko juu kidogo, mrudishe upstairs. Huko ni upstairs, huko kwenye tunaenda. Yeah, a lot of people are coming in and mashule, you can see some uniforms. Yeah, and 8. Yeah, Wamboi just saw a monkey. And Wamboi is coming up. Yeah. Wao wanafunzi wa shule. Yeah. Panda maliza. Yeah. I love.
So guys, nishawaonyesha venye chini tunakaa. Honestly, I had some fun down there. Ni place tuko hapo, tunaanza safari ya kurudi. Na kunanga kitu inachokushanga sana kama kupanda mlima tu ni kali literally kupanda mlima. It's so draining, I'm telling you. I'm tired. I'm really tired. So So let's go.
Let's get moving, guys. Oh, what? Oh, in God's name. Come on, let's go, let's go.
No, you have yourself.
No, I didn't.
This is a sign not to lean on anything.
Yes, do not. Do not trust any of these motorbus. They will drag you to hell.
Angalia. Place nilikuwa nimekaa chini yake.
Look what's in it. Yeah. So it's a steep place.
Sidhani kama msee anaweza survive this.
Yeah. It's a steep place. But boys survive. Boys.
So guys, I'm telling you, tumechoka. Oh, umechoka kama mimi?
Basa.
But this was a nice experience.
Yeah.
And if asked, I will do it again and again.
Yeah.
But for now, we have to survive. I did tufike huko hivyo juu kabisa. So
we are quarter way.
Yeah.
So we have to run.
We have to go. Juu kunakaa kama kutanyesha.
In the next few minutes.
But
it will be raining heavily.
Yes. So we have to bounce, guys. Yeah. So sasa twendeni.
Guys.
Baboon, I wish we can see them.
Let's go. Do this like for a gym. You never get fat. Let's get slimmer and healthier.
Did you love the experience?
Yes, indeed.
Sana?
Yeah.
We should do this more often.
We'll come here again and again.
Watuambie place next yenye tutaenda hike ni gani? Just look. So beautiful.
Yeah, this field there is a lot of forest area around here. There are elephants over that ridge. The elephants this side of the mountain, the elephants that side of the mountain.
Yeah.
Yeah. And from the north to
So guys, finally sisi tushamaliza. Tuko juu. Alafu kuna ile hoteli iko pale nyuma inaitwa Panari. Panari Resort, no? Yeah.
Yeah, those people who earned in front of us. Anyway, nitafuta pesa mbele yetu.
Ile hoteli iko pale hivyo nyuma. Imagine per one night you pay like 20 Gs.
But pia huku kuna hoteli inaitwa Thompson Falls.
Yeah.
Mnaweza kuja huko pia ni place cool sana.
Yeah.
A very well maintained place. Inakaa vizuri pia. Yeah, it's classy.
Yes.
Yeah, kuna mingi, kuna hotels around and you can do a lot with them. Yeah.
So guys, that's it from us. We make sure you watch this video till the end. You subscribe, you comment, and you also share this video.
Yeah.
So bye guys.